Hey, quick pause before you scroll. Let's talk about the RX-A4A. This is for the kind of person who notices when sound just feels flat, when scenes don't pull you in the way they should, and when you're done pretending your current setup is good enough. You've trained your ears over time. You know when something's missing, even if you can't explain it right away. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Receivers at this level don't stay predictable for long, and availability has a way of changing when you least expect it. You already know the moment I'm talking about. You're watching a movie you love, maybe one you've seen 10 times, and suddenly the impact just isn't there. Dialogue feels detached. Explosions sound loud but not real. You realize you've been compensating, raising volume, tweaking settings, making excuses. That's when it hits you, it's time. The relief after switching is immediate. Everything settles into place. You stop fighting your system and start trusting it. The room feels controlled, confident, intentional. You're no longer guessing whether your gear can keep up, it just does. In real life, this changes nights at home completely. Movie sessions become immersive instead of distracting. Gaming feels grounded, with sound that locks to motion instead of smearing behind it. Even casual music while working feels fuller and calmer, like the space around you finally makes sense. You're not thinking about channels or formats, you're just inside the experience. What you feel isn't about numbers. It's weight. It's placement. It's the way sound drops instead of blasts. Once you feel performance like this, going back feels impossible. Everything weaker starts to feel thin, rushed, unfinished. Take another second to check availability. Don't wait for weird price jumps or that moment when it's suddenly backordered everywhere. If you're hesitating because it feels like a serious step, that's actually the point. You've outgrown the compromise phase. This isn't about excess, it's about alignment. Power here feels controlled, not aggressive. Features feel purposeful, not overwhelming. The surprise is how smart it feels day to day. You expect intensity, but what stands out is how natural everything becomes. Voices lock in. Surround effects feel intentional. Even low-volume listening carries presence, which you don't expect until you live with it. There's a quiet pride that comes with owning something built on this level. You feel it every time you turn it on. It feels deliberate, capable, finished. Like you chose once instead of constantly second-guessing. Sound finally feels anchored. Movies pull you in without effort. Gaming audio feels precise and alive. Music fills the room, not the corners. You stop tweaking and start enjoying. It's not the smallest unit, it rewards good speakers. At some point, you step out of comparison mode. You stop juggling tabs and specs and choose the thing you already knew you wanted. Every time you look at something cheaper, you feel that pull back here, because you know exactly what you'd be giving up. Don't let this turn into one of those upgrades you keep postponing, then kick yourself for later. If you're ready to feel your system click into place, make the move now and check the current price while it's still available.